What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a chilled day in the life vlog. Follow me around what I get up to as a full-time trader. It is currently just after 9:30 and I've just finished one of my work blocks. I woke up at around 7 a.m. and yeah, I just thought today I would actually just whip out the camera and just document what I'm up to. I'm currently backtesting Euro Yen 2020 and just trying to make many refinements and things like that. I'm actually gonna try and show you how the markets are looking today and my kind of thought process with them. So let's just jump into the charts. We're looking at Aussie dollar. Again, today is Wednesday, 28th of October, just after 9:30, 9:41 now. And yeah, I get a lot of questions on, what is my strategy? How do I trade? The reason why I don't go into it is because I'm still at a point where I'm backtesting, refining things, tweaking things. But one thing is for sure is that I trade naked charts and I essentially look at price action, trade price action. I still use like confluences like impulse correction, market nature, pair behavior, etc., etc. So looking at Aussie dollar in the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that we have this ascending corrective nature. You can call it range bound, you can call it corrective, but you can tell that there's a massive difference between this piece of price action and this bit of price action. What are we getting now in the current? So we're getting some impulsive movement. We can look at structure highs, you can look at structure lows, it really doesn't matter. But for me, I'm liking how this moves and we can wait to see if we can push down further and then look to take a setup to the downside. So that's my thought process on it, and I'm going to keep an eye out on Aussie dollar. Looking at Euro Yen, we've been pushing down. Something that I've been really looking at this year has been what actually is impulsive. You can see this as push down momentum, but then there's a massive difference between how this pushes down and how, let's say, like this pushes up, right? I am also looking at 4 hour time frame just to see what things are looking like on the bigger picture. It's clear that we are definitely having momentum and we have a key level, key area here. I'm sure we're going to get some kind of reaction as we return back to this point here. So again, right now AU is looking quite nice. So a reason why I quite like AU is because the impulse is starting up here compared to EJ. So this shows that we can have movement. Let me just move this out of the way. This tells me that we can continue to take advantage of some sells, at least to this low, to this structure low, and to see what happens from there. But again, that's just the 4 hour. The 1 hour, that's where my entry is going to be. Are we going to get a flag? Are we going to sort of get like some sort of like retest? Essentially that's how I've been trading. But yeah, so you can definitely see like the importance of where we are in the market. It's a good question to ask yourself. Here we have a lot of room to capitalize on if we get an entry, and here it's like we're already approaching this low, so it's natural to see some sort of reaction. So one of my videos where I talked about my morning routine, I kind of mentioned how I brain dump using an app, and that app was Things 3. I much prefer pen and paper for sure, so I kind of don't use that app as much as I'd like to. I really wanted to like that app, but again, there's just something about pen and paper and just writing out like everything that's on your mind and things that you need to do. So today on my to-do list, I've got to edit a video, backtest the rest of EJ, and then some other creative stuff at 7:30 tonight. I've got alpha, which is cool. I'm gonna go crack on with backtesting, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I thought I'd also do a bit of a life update as well. Haven't had any coffee in almost 2 weeks, which is pretty interesting. The last time I had coffee was before my fast, so I did a 5-day fast, which I was actually going to film and I was going to document, but then I didn't want to go into too much detail about it because again, it's something quite personal, something between me, myself and God really. But I will tell you guys that I did fast because of health reasons, more mental reasons, and then obviously spiritual reasons. But I highly recommend that you guys look into the benefits of kind of shorter term fasting, mid-term fasting, 3-day fast, 5-day water fast. They're very powerful on your body and also spiritually and mentally. What else? I'm approaching 1 month being full-time. So I was actually going to do a whole spiel on this transition period of me going full-time and how it's been almost a month going full-time. But I think I'm going to save it for another video because I have a whole other title for that. And yeah, anyways, haven't edited a video for today, so I am going to probably crack on with that. So it's going to be on risk management. It should probably be out by the time this goes out. But yeah, I've got about, I'm going to aim to have it out at like 6 p.m. So I've got about 7 hours and 10 minutes until it's supposed to go live. So I need to go edit that and then upload it. And then I've got alpha later on, and then more things are coming into my head, so I'm just going to quickly write this down. I've got to do some chores as well, just real life stuff, you know. So just filmed a bit of a screen recording for the new video that's supposed to be going out today. Aussie dollar's looking pretty sweet as well. So's Kiwi dollar, getting a bit peckish. So I'm gonna go eat. I am now finally uploading my video. That was actually quite a quick edit because it's a short video, the one that's going out today, on risk management. If you guys haven't watched that, definitely go watch that video. But yeah, having this laptop, this new like 16-inch, I know there's a new one coming out called like the silicon MacBooks with their Apple's own sort of chip or device, whatever. I'm not that techie, but yeah, I heard that's coming out soon, but honestly, I need a faster computer. The one before this, I had a 15-inch MacBook from work, and then I had my own 13-inch, which is so bloody slow. It takes like 2 hours, sometimes even 4 hours, to even like just export, but this literally took like 7 minutes. But yeah, it's currently 1:36. We've got a wick on AU, and yeah, I'm currently looking at the CAD pairs actually. Hold on, let me bring it up and I'll show you guys. Yeah, we got a little wick here, so this could be what, the start of some sort of correction or consolidation. Euro yen, still looking for an entry. EU waiting for an entry. I did have an alert set around this area, but I don't think that's gonna, like, if price is coming up here, we'll have to see. I'll have to reevaluate. What I have sort of learned with wicks is, you know, you can't always rule things out. Wicks are just an indication rather than just a complete no-no. And yeah, that's come from backtesting and in-market experience. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later on. Currently just been sat here being a potato. No, I was just editing the thumbnail and I have to freaking re-upload the video because I forgot one little bit. So that's currently exporting. But currently we are breaking lows, retracing on Aussie dollar. So I just want to see what kind of happens. You know, if we start to get wicks, that's going to be an indication that there's indecision in the markets, that momentum is slowing down. So with that said, just gonna wait patiently. Also, it is blue skies. It's blue skies here in London, South London. So yeah, real nice. Also, a lot of people ask what these orange candles are. They're basically inside bars. I might do like another video on them, but honestly, you can literally just Google like what's an inside bar. The indicator is basically this one by this dude or woman, I don't know, but yeah, you can just find that on TradingView. But I'll quickly tell you now what it is. It's basically a bar that just doesn't break the high or low of the previous candle. So you can see in Aussie dollar, this orange candle didn't break the high or low of the candle before it. So it's kind of like tucked inside this candle. That candle's inside this candle, that's inside this candle, if that makes sense. Holy crap. This is the weather outside. Remember how I said it was literally like super sunny? Let me just turn the light on. Whoa. Remember how I said it was super sunny and now it's just so dark and miserable and raining? That is British weather for you. Whoa. That is mad. Holy crap. I think there's actually hailstones. Oh my god. Right, so it's currently 5:16. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. Basically, I walked down the stairs, I rushed down the stairs thinking, who is this? The doorbell rang, and it was actually my blender. So my Amazon parcel came. I'll open that later. But the agenda for right now is to probably get a month's worth of back testing done. Continue on EJ 2020, and then in about half an hour, risk management video goes live. So that's all set. I've got an alarm on that because I tend to forget when videos are going live. Right, I had to take a break from backtesting. The alarm went off. It's about 1 minute to 6 p.m. in the evening, and the video is about to go live. I always get a little bit nervous when videos go live, and I'm always there live, like behind the screen, just like replying to any comments and see any feedback and the response from the videos. So yeah, that's something at 6 o'clock. That's something that you guys have learned about me, that I still get nervous when I upload videos. Right, we've updated Instagram. We are all good. Oh my gosh. My friend came bang on at 6 p.m. and look at these goodies that my friend has just dropped. So she's starting up this sort of like bakery Filipino goodies thing online on Instagram. You can find her at Tambay Bakery. Shout out to Jess. These look amazing. They smell amazing. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is a bit of a weird angle, but yeah. It's currently 7:30, meaning that I'm gonna go and attend my alpha group. It's currently week 3, so yeah, this is my second alpha. Really, alpha is the place where if you have any questions about, you know, why are we here, who is Jesus, what is Christianity all about, you know, why did Jesus die, which is the topic of this week. But yeah, so alpha's been, you know, an experience for sure, and I hope everyone could experience alpha and just give it a shot, really. So my Zoom call pretty much runs from 7:30 to 9 p.m. I'll check in with you guys after that.
New Testament puts it is like this: all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God.